Oh, oh, hey, you're here. I mean, welcome back. I, uh, it's really, great to see you again. um, uh, I know you probably come, mostly for the books, but it's cool of you to hang out with me while you're here. Um, Ever since you came by, working has been, much more fun. No, no, I mean, wait. Um, I mean, yeah. Um, of course, we're friends. That's normal. I'm just, really appreciative, you know? Um, you're, you're a good friend. A, a really good friend. Hmm? Oh, what, was I staring? No, I was, spacing out. Sorry. I was just thinking, um, while I was reading these book titles. Sometimes I don't even take in what I'm looking at. I just look at them really quickly so I know where to put them away. Sometimes it's like that with people too. You look at them without really seeing them. Like when you're walking down the street, you see people enough to move out of the way if they come close. No, I'm fine, really. I almost didn't think you were coming today. My shift is almost over here. Do you do you maybe want to walk home together after you get your books? I mean, you don't have to if you wanted to stay here and read. It's no big deal. You will? Cool. Okay, you just keep reading. I still have a little bit more to do. You look so comfortable and studious sitting there. I mean it. Um, is that weird to say? I just mean it like an observation, like you'd be perfect for a calendar or for libraries or postcard or something. I'm babbling, huh? I'll leave you to read. Sorry. Sorry. Hey, I'm all done now. Wow, you got pretty far in that book. I'll check you out. Your books. I'll check out your books for you before I punch out and we can go. Your card, please. Why, thank you. Here's your books. Have a nice day. All right. Shall we? Oh no. Oh no. It's raining. Do you have a... Oh, you do. Uh, you're always so prepared. So smart. Do you want me to help carry your books so you can hold your umbrella? I have my portable little poncho, so I'll be okay. Or I can put some in my bag. They'll be extra safe then. What's wrong? Nothing. Nothing's wrong. I'm just worried about your books. Um, yes, books. Your books. Of course I care about them. I work at a library and all. I mean, you know me. Always anxious. We should really start walking before the rain gets any worse. So, um, so how's work going? I know you had that group project you were doing. There was that one person. Yes, that one. Weren't they dragging their feet a little on it? Did you figure out what to do? Oh, okay. You're so good with people. No, no, really. If that were me, well, I'd probably would have just wanted to do everything myself, just to avoid dealing with them. But instead, you talked to them and figured it out together. You're so nice. I'm kind of surprised that you don't have. Never mind. No, I mean that's personal. None of my business. Yes, we're friends. Okay. Um, well, I was just wondering how you don't have a date. A girlfriend, a boyfriend, or someone, even admirers. You do? You do. Like who? I mean, you can't tell me that and not explain the story. Hmm. So you had to turn them down because of work or because you didn't feel the same? Well, that's probably for the best. I mean, you can't work with someone you're dating, right? That's so complicated. What if you were to break up? Or what if? Oh, but I mean, maybe sometimes it's okay, but not with them. They're not your type, right? Uh, what would be your ideal person? Oh, come on. It doesn't have to be about looks. I just mean, do you have anything you're looking for? Someone nice? Maybe a bookish person like you? Or smart? Um, um, funny? Confidence? Everyone likes confidence. You seem so sure of yourself sometimes. You really know what you want and who you are. You're so cute. I mean, um, you just are like a puppy, or a hamster, or or um oh wow, the rain is starting to really come down. I'm so sorry I made you walk with me um like in this. You always say it's okay. It just makes me worry that I'll take advantage of you someday and I won't know that I'm doing it. Then you'll hate me and stop coming to the library. Then I'll be sad because I'm not there. You're too nice. Here's my place. Hey, Do you want to come inside for a little bit and wait out the rain? At least for, you know, the sake of your books. Great. Come on in. Just leave your umbrella by the door. I'll make some coffee. The rain always makes me sleepy. Um, do you want any? How, uh, how are the books? I hope they didn't get wet at all. Good, good. uh, sorry, I just can't believe you're here. We've known each other for a while, but I don't think you've really been over here yet. I wish I'd cleaned up a little more before I left this morning. What are you looking at? It fell out of my bag? Oh, that's probably my notebook. Please give it back. It's just boring stuff. Just boring stuff. My schedule, and I'm writing a story in there. A stupid story. Um, it's really embarrassing, so please don't read it. You read it. That fast? You always were a fast reader. Ah, I guess it's all. I guess it's over now. You know all about me now. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. I couldn't help it. I tried to stop it. I really did. Wait. Please wait. Let me apologize, okay? I didn't mean to, but I fell for you. I didn't want to. Not at all. You're just so perfect. Everything about you is perfect to me. I fought it so hard, but I can't win. I'm on fire for you, and there's nothing I can do about it. All I can do is burn for you. It's like a fever, and you're all I can think about. I go to bed thinking about you, wake up hoping I'll see you. If you're not around, I feel sick. But when you're next to me, it's not enough. I really want it to be enough. I wanted to be good. Please. I want to feel normal. I've never felt like this with anyone else before. In that notebook are all the nice things you've ever said to me, or texted me. You have no idea how much your words really mean to me. It looks like obsessive stalking, but I promise it's not that. I would never, ever do anything to hurt you like that. I never wanted you to find out, but I couldn't stay away. But now that you know, I feel so much relief. I'm relieved that I don't have to hide it anymore. And you don't look like you hate it. You look so red in the face. Are you blushing? So cute. So sweet. So adorable. You look almost embarrassed. But do you really? You don't. You can't. Really? No. No, that's just not possible. For how long? You have to tell me, please. Please. You really liked me for that long. But why didn't you say anything? Oh, it doesn't matter. Now we can be together forever. Didn't scare you with my notebook, did I? I did. Well, I'm sorry, darling. I think I really captured you with my drawings, though. Now that you're mine, you can pose for me. Oh, so shy now. You're so much more perfect up close. Is it too soon to kiss you? I don't mind waiting. I'll give you whatever you want. I'm so happy. So happy. It's like a dream. Say, you won't be talking to that coworker of yours again, right? I could always visit you at work and bring you lunch so they know you're taken now, just to be safe. Good. You're still so nice to me. I love you. I love you. Forever. Hello, my sparkles of adventure. If you've made it this far in the video, seriously, thank you. um, I'd, I know this is one that's a little bit longer than my usual videos, and that is because the scriptwriter, Azreal, is a fantastic scriptwriter, and I really didn't think it was going to be this long, but I just couldn't force myself to say the things faster and kind of take away the nervous edge of the character that Azrael had set up in the beginning. I really enjoyed this one, but I feel like I kind of dropped the ball at the end. But if you feel like I did a good job, or if you think maybe I could have improved, tell me in the comments below. As always, I'll close the video out with my attempt at being inspirational. The light that you shed is unique to you, and you can never tell how your light is going to shine. It might not be quite in the way that everyone else's does, and that's okay, because your light and the way that it shines is unique to you, and you never know how your light will affect the world around you. So never dim your own light, and never let anyone else dim your light. With that in mind, I'll see you next time.